Hello, in this lecture we will see how to pop or remove the first element of linked list and return it. तो ओके इसके लिए हम पहले एल्गो चेक करते हैं. पहला केस ये है कि व्हेन वी हैव अ प्रॉपर लिंक लिस्ट जो कि विच हैज़ लाइक मोर देन वन एलिमेंट और इवन वन एलिमेंट, हेड इज पॉइंटिंग टू द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. तो इस केस में हमें क्या करना है, हेड को हमें नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट को पॉइंट करवा देना है. एंड ये जो पॉइंटर है इसको नेक्स्ट को पॉइंट करवा देंगे और ये जो वैल्यू थी इसको रिटर्न करवा देंगे 1 को. एंड द फ्री नोड इन दिस केस इज द फर्स्ट नोड, बिकॉज ये जावा में हम कर रहे हैं तो जावा गार्बेज कलेक्शन विल टेक केयर ऑफ इट. वी डोंट नीड टू डू एनीथिंग. गेट the first element data or first node data, move the head to next, which is basically head dot next. But what if the linked list is empty? So in this case, assuming कि head is initially null. So if linked list is empty, we cannot pop or remove the first element. We will simply return null or we will return -1 as per the use case or question. Or if like if the list is empty, return -1 or null, depends upon the question. So this check will actually come to the beginning, and let's come to the code. Public int is the return type because the data is an integer type. Pop element. Okay. Pehla question, the pehla condition is if the list is empty, we will return -1. If head equal null, return -1, because we are returning -1 because the return type is int in this case. And if the head is not null, which will be the else condition, head equals to head dot get next, right? ये जो get next function है ये यहाँ से आ रहा है इस implementation से. It will just return the next pointer of the node, which the node in this case is head. So yep. And but before the going to the get next, we have to actually get the data. So the data is integer top element के अंदर हम store करेंगे is equal to head dot get data. And this get data function is coming from the linked list implementation. हमने data fetch कर लिया, हमने head को next में भी कर दिया, then the next and the final step is just return the top element, because जो pop functionality होती है इसके अंदर हम remove करने के बाद return भी करते हैं. Like depends upon the question. In this case we are returning it because we have specified the return type as integer. Return top element. Okay. So the code is complete. If you have any doubts, please put in comments. I'll be happy to answer. And let's see the complexity, because हम हर कोड के बाद complexity check करते हैं because we are so much concerned about reliability. And yeah, so जितना भी जितनी भी लंबी लिस्ट हो, we are just concerned with the head pointer. So at every case, best, worst or average, we have just constant operation. We don't have any loop, we are simply exchanging the pointers and all, right? So these are all constant time operations. So the complexity will be O of 1, right? Okay, thanks.